Hello guys, I am Jasmeet and welcome to Blogging Unplugged Clips. On this channel, you will find bite-sized videos from our main channel, Blogging Unplugged. If you are not into those hour-long videos, then this channel is for you. And if you find the content helpful, then make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell. And with that said, let's dive into the video. The next big change we are going to discuss is the improvements to the patterns inserter. Now, if you have been using WordPress, then you must be familiar with the fact that WordPress lets you add patterns from the block inserter. There is a section that lets you add patterns, which is right next to the list of blocks that you see when you click the inserter over here. You can see that the patterns is over here. Now, generally the patterns included are from the theme that you are using. So if you're using the 2021 theme, then the patterns will show you all of the 2021 patterns that are included with the theme. Now this has changed in WordPress 5.9 as WordPress has released a new patterns directory. Now I will leave the link to the patterns directory in the description box below, so you can check it out for yourself. And in WordPress 5.9, that pattern directory has been connected to the pattern section in the block inserter. So let's just go to WordPress 5.8 and see how it originally was and what the change is. We will see in the WordPress 5.9. So this is the WordPress 5.8. Let's just go to patterns over here, and you can see it just displays the pattern for different sections, columns, buttons, this and that, for the 2021 theme basically. Now in WordPress 5.9 this has changed. You can see here. Now there is a new featured section that basically connects the pattern library to the patterns in the block inserter. Additionally, there is an explore button. This is a new explore button. You can see right over here. The button is missing. This is the new explore button. And when you click this button, it will open a full screen pattern library. Now from here you can click and insert any of the patterns that you want to add to your page or post or whatever that is. Now there are beautiful patterns available in this library. I will recommend you check this out. I've left the link in the description again. Now I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Also, the links to our socials are in the description box below. Make sure to follow us on other platforms as well. And with that said, I will see you in the next video.